Hi, I'm Dean. I'm up in the East Barriere Lake area. In November of 2025, the panels were installed, and from there, we take this month alone, we've generated just about 6 million watts of power. Went to the solar panels just to go to a net zero, equalize my cost for what we use for power on our hobby farm. As per BC Hydro's website, when you're choosing for your solar panels, is to go to 3 different contractors for bids. And not only does Riverside have a history of solar energy, they provided the best bid. Oh, fantastic. The workers that Riverside sent out here, a young group of gentlemen that were extremely focused on what they were doing, and just a pleasure to have on the property. The office staff was great to work with, and still have to work on and off with them, but really a friendly outfit to work with. 100% I would recommend Riverside Energy to do your solar. Thank you, Riverside, for all you've done, and hopefully in the end it is very prosperous for us all.
Hey, it's Lee from Riverside Energy. Do you want to learn more about solar and the BC Hydro rebates like Dean did? Click the link in the description below.